All right, ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to just go there right now. If you're watching my video, you're probably looking at joining something online that you can work from your home computer, your laptop, or your cell phone. Okay? I'm telling you straight up, with my old ass, almost 60 years old, I am kicking butt with Save Club. Within 2 weeks, I've got a couple grand of income that I can put in my pocket and buy Hummer hats or Kiss lamps or Hot Wheels to hang on my wall in back of my giant head here, okay? I'm also saving money because with Save Club, it's about saving money on things you're already buying. Okay, 1997. Do you got a $20 bill? I'll give you 3 pennies back. You got $60, you're going to have a full-blown website, full-blown customer service, and a capture page. It does everything for you. So for $80 minus 3 pennies, guys, you got one hell of an opportunity, okay? I'll leave you with this. ilovesaveclub.com. Click it right now. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.